Welcome to our new Blinger Slinging with E and J YouTube channel. I'm Erica, and in this video I will show you how to prepare a two-color rhinestone transfer. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the tape. And it's a 12 by 12. I think it's probably about a 12 and a little piece, because it should fit your board. You see the little extra on the end? It should fit your board, okay? It should fit your board. That's why I get the sheets instead of the roll, because the roll is crinkly or crinkle or whatever. See, it's crinkle. I don't like to be doing all that. I'm already doing enough. So I get the sheets. Okay, so I take the edge of the tape, well, really the side of it. So I take a piece of the side. So I take that. Can you guys see this? So I just make sure that it's lined up, because once you put it on there, that's it. And then I just go ahead, smooth it as I go. And just lay it on there. And I do that to the front and back. This is your mat. I use the Cricut mat again. This is what I use. So when you get your flock, whatever color it is, it should be on top. And make sure you line it up correctly. Make sure you smooth it out. Okay, so right here I'm going to show you how to add a different color to the template. I am just covering over with some leftover tape that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and get the brush. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the rhinestones, and that is the crystal rhinestones, to the My God is Bigger Than COVID-19 template. So I brush the stones in a circular motion using the rhinestone brush. And I'm just doing that all over the template. And you see that it's not getting on the other letters that I did cover up. And I apply the orange tape because I want to change the color. Next, I will go ahead and apply the blue rhinestones to the 19. I'm just brushing it into a circular motion, removing the excess stones. I'm going to get the pick-me-up tool because I need to place it correctly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and post your questions in the comment. I will post a link to the group in the description box below. See you in the next video.